Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Google Translate on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off Google Translate from Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings. Now click on languages. Now scroll down. You'll find here Google Translate, and you will find another option here, automatically translate to these languages. Just remove it, and now click here to turn off use Google Translate. Now Google Translate is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.